you guys. So we are going to be using two separate designs. The one that is going to go on the bottom of the glass is this one, and I have my other one ready over here, but I have it hidden. And the reason why is because I'm going to be using similar colors, but this design that goes on that bottom of the glass needs to be mirrored and the other one does not. And I can't choose which ones I want mirrored and which ones I don't on the same mat. So we're going to have that hidden for now. We're going to go ahead and get this cut. You're going to want to measure the bottom of whatever glass you're using and make sure that the design fits. So what you're going to do is hit make it, and then you're going to mirror every SVG on every mat. Now that our design is on the bottom, I am using a washable marker to mark off an even line so that I can then tape it off using electrical tape. This is just so that you have a crisp, even line when you go to add your glitter. I am going to be using dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and even though it does say dishwasher safe, I still recommend that you hand wash to ensure that your wine glass stays in the best shape possible for the longest amount of time possible. I'm using a sponge brush and just applying an even coat all around the taped off area, and now I am adding my glitter. You're going to want to do this, I did it 3 times, I believe. You're going to want to make sure that you have the best coverage you can get. You don't want to be able to see any glass through the glitter at all. Once the layer is fully dry, you're going to brush off any excess glitter and then add another even coat of the Mod Podge and reapply glitter one more time, shaking off any excess, and then wait for this coat to dry as well before you continue to your next. I am now on my third and final layer. I like the coverage that I have after 3 layers of glitter. If you can still see through yours, you're going to want to add as many coats as it takes until you have full coverage. I will also be removing the electrical tape after I apply Mod Podge and my glitter. You're going to want to pull the electrical tape away from the glitter. This way you do not ruin your clean and crisp line. I'm also going to be wiping off any marker that's visible before I move on to my next step, which is sealing the glitter. Just like in the previous steps, you're going to want to brush off any excess glitter and then apply a good thick layer of Mod Podge and wait for it to dry. I like to apply 2 layers of Mod Podge, letting it dry in between as my final step in sealing in the glitter. Okay, now that our glitter is dry, we can measure the area we have left to work with to adjust the sizing for our decal that's going to go on the outside. I'm going to be using this SVG. You can find it on shopcraftables.com completely for free, and it comes set up for you. So now we are going to make it, get this cut, and then layer it onto our glass.